Athlete's foot isn't just limited to teenage boys, but women and older adults can get it too. Much to our dismay, this fungal infection, if not treated on time, may spread to other parts of the body. This quick and easy remedy can help cure athlete's foot and prevent the spread of the fungus. In this video, we are going to teach you a DIY foot soak as the ultimate solution to kill off this fungal infection before it gets any worse. To make this DIY foot soak, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tub of lukewarm water, 10 drops of thymus essential oil, and 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. This foot soak works because the acidic, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar not only help in removing bacteria and disease-causing germs from the body, but also treat various foot problems like dry feet, athlete's foot, warts, callus and other fungal infections of the feet. Additionally, it also gets rid of foul foot odor, removes cracked skin from heels, fades liver spots, and soothes sore feet muscles. Also with antifungal properties, baking soda provides relief from many microbial strains that infect the skin and nails, while thymus essential oil helps in inhibiting further fungal growth and absorbs unpleasant foot odor. So to make the foot soak, fill a tub with warm water and add all the ingredients. Next, give it a stir for a minute. Then soak your feet for 15 minutes. Gently scrub the affected part to make sure the solution works its magic. You can increase the length of time you soak your feet gradually. Use a towel to dry the feet and use an antifungal lotion afterwards. It may take 2 to 3 weeks of using this foot soak to see an improvement, but the athlete's foot will eventually disappear. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of nail foot fungus permanently using 2 home ingredients. Thanks for watching and bye for now.